Okay, so if you're having trouble with your left trigger sticking on your Power A controller, um, this is how I fixed it. You just separate it and then pull it apart. It's got these little tabs here. I just took a torch, heated up my knife, and I kind of melted them a little bit, kind of eased them forward. And I took a small little tool and heated it up and kind of wallered out that hole a little bit. And what that does is allows the trigger to sit more forward so it's not pushing on it. And so far, it's fixed my problem. And I've seen no one upload a video about how to fix this, so this is how I fixed it. So maybe y'all could try this. Maybe it'll fix your controller.